Good evening. We just pulled up to dinner. We are celebrating and grieving Andy's last night in Houston.
We're here at Fogo de Chao. This is my last night. Leave tomorrow morning for Wasilla, Alaska, to my very pregnant wife, who's 21 days.
Yay! Are you having a boy or a girl?
A little boy.
Do you have a name picked out?
No. Not yet. Waiting to meet him.
Oh, congratulations.
Thanks.
And then what did you guys do today while I was at work?
We walked around in the Houston tunnels. There's a series of tunnels underneath downtown Houston. There's about 6 miles in total. And there's lots of places to eat and other random things that you can do down there. So we checked that out.
Nice. Good day?
Yeah, it was fun.
All right, well, let's go get a lot of meat.
Yes.
Thanks.
Who you rolling with? Who you rolling with? Who you rolling with? Make it lit!
So, Nancy and I are in Discovery Green Park in Houston. Got our yoga mats. And we're supposed to be doing yoga right there
Looks like we might be doing yoga by ourselves.
in the bar.
We'll be doing
Shot yoga?
oral yoga.
Ooh, that sounds risque, but I like it.
Maybe that came out wrong. Yeah, let's go get a drink.
Let's get a drink.
Okay.
All right. We could do our own yoga.
We could do our own.
Okay, so we found the actual yoga class.
There's a big flag that says yoga.
We were in the wrong spot, but we did our own warm up, and now we're going to join the other class late.
We're ready.
All right. Round 2. I'm going to have to turn you off in a second, but we definitely found the right class. We were in the wrong spot.
Who you rolling with? Who you rolling with? Who you rolling with? Make it lit!
Nancy and I just finished our yoga class, and across the lawn they have a circus class. What? So next week we might be joining the circus. Yeah. So just finished our yoga. Nancy kicked ass. I fell on my ass.
You did pretty good. I was impressed.
I was really impressed with you. You got some sweet moves.
I do, yeah. I love my yoga. It's the only thing I'm good at.
The only thing I beat you on was my arms were longer than yours, so I could reach around.
Yeah.
I can do the reach around.
Yeah, I did notice that.
Yep.
That was pretty impressive.
Yep. And then there were the birds.
Brie almost died.
Pretty much.
Thankfully, I was there to rescue her.
Thanks for holding my hand. I was scared.
That was the worst Shavasana ever.
It's the worst what?
Shavasana is when you're laying at the end of class. It's supposed to be like very, very relaxing, but you were not relaxed.
No. It was better once you held my hand, though. Thanks. Thanks. Love you. All right. Yes. Drinks?
Drinks.
Okay. Bye.